In this comprehensive tutorial, we embark on a journey into the world of holiday glam makeup, a realm where radiance and elegance intertwine to create a captivating allure. With the festive season on the horizon, it's the perfect time to embrace the enchanting shimmer and timeless sophistication that define holiday celebrations. In this video, we will guide you through every intricate step, revealing the secrets to achieving a breathtaking holiday glam makeup look that resonates with the spirit of the season and elevates your beauty to new heights. The holidays exude a distinct sense of opulence and allure, and our makeup look embodies these qualities in every detail. Picture a harmonious blend of sumptuous colors, shimmering highlights that catch the light, and a seamless finish that radiates confidence and elegance. Whether you're attending cherished family gatherings or joining in the revelry of a glittering New Year's Eve soiree, this holiday glam makeup look is your gateway to captivating with grace and style. At the heart of mastering this glamorous look lies the art of impeccable blending. From the delicate sweep of eyeshadow to the strategic contours of your face, each element comes together in harmony, creating a cohesive and striking appearance. Our tutorial is your guide to the intricacies of blending various shades and textures, ensuring that your makeup is not only visually stunning but also enhances your unique features with subtlety and finesse. The eyes, undoubtedly, are the focal point of any glamorous look. We'll lead you through the meticulous steps of crafting an enchanting eye makeup design. Imagine a symphony of deep, smoky hues intermingled with the iridescence of shimmering metallics. This dynamic combination adds depth and allure to your eyes, making them the focal point of your entire ensemble. With our expert guidance, whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned enthusiast, techniques such as precise eyeliner application, achieving the perfect wing, and artful layering of eyeshadows will become second nature. However, the artistry extends beyond the eyes. Our tutorial delves into perfecting the entirety of your face. Discover the secrets to achieving a flawless foundation base, contouring to enhance your natural features, and achieving a luminous glow that epitomizes the festive spirit. From selecting the perfect foundation shade to delicately highlighting your cheekbones, our comprehensive instructions leave no stone unturned. And what would a holiday look be without the ideal lip shade? We'll delve into the art of selecting lip colors that complement the overall glamorous aesthetic while boasting lasting wear, allowing you to immerse yourself in the festivities without the need for constant touch-ups. The holiday season is a time for self-expression and indulgence. While our tutorial offers a roadmap, remember that makeup is an art form, and rules are meant to be creatively bent. Don't hesitate to experiment, adapt colors to your personal taste, and infuse your individuality into the look. So, gather your cherished makeup brushes, your favorite shimmering eyeshadow palette, and embark on this creative journey to craft an extraordinary holiday glam makeup look that radiates allure and sophistication. By the time this tutorial concludes, you'll not only possess a dazzling makeup look for the festive season but also the knowledge and confidence to recreate this captivating aesthetic whenever the occasion calls for it. With gratitude for joining us on this exploration of holiday glamour, let's dive right into the process of creating this mesmerizing holiday glam makeup look.